Hello everyone, welcome back to the PC Error Detective channel. In today's video, we'll explain how to access Recycle Bin in Windows 10 and show you how to bring it back if it's missing from your desktop. Step 1. Click the Start menu located at the bottom left corner of your screen. This is where you can access system settings and important Windows features. Step 2. Click on Settings. From the Start menu, this opens the main control area where you can change and manage Windows preferences. Step 3. Click on Personalization. This section lets you customize how Windows looks and behaves on your computer. Step 4. Click on Themes from the left side. Themes control desktop backgrounds, colors, and system icons. Step 5. Scroll down and click Desktop Icon Settings under Related Settings. This option allows you to show or hide desktop icons. Step 6. Check the Recycle Bin box. This ensures the Recycle Bin icon appears on your desktop for easy access. Step 7. Click OK to save the changes, and the Recycle Bin will now be visible on your desktop. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tutorials.